Hey everyone, I have an update on my shop light project, and man is it bright. So, as you can see here, I got the fuse block all wired up, and we've got, two kind of series or circuits going on. Got the lights on right now, and as you can see, it's pulling a little bit of juice there. Definitely need some upgrades, battery wise, and probably need to add another solar panel to that as well. But that'll be coming up here in the future. So very happy to get that done, and so then we got all of our wires kind of neatly ran. I was able to kind of clean up the mess a little bit too. You'll see here in just a minute. But got all the connections made. Those box wire nuts, they work out really well. I was pretty impressed with them. But as you can see, I had to tear up quite a bit of the ceiling there and the insulation, get everything ran, and made all my connections there, and then back down, and and the switch. So everything's working the way that it's supposed to, and it's pretty bright. So I'm pretty happy with the results there. Now you see, turn it off. There's some light still coming in from the windows there, the door, but click those things back on. It really adds some light. And then you got these lights here, there in the hallway. They're pretty bright too. So just overall happy. So just to kind of give you guys an idea. So these are the 4 solar panels from Harbor Freight. They're 25 watts piece, 100 watts together, and then those panels are for the AC side. So these panels here are just doing the DC stuff. But yeah, I couldn't be happier with the brightness. Now, as you can see, a little bit later, kind of cleaned up the area and got the insulation back up where it needs to be, and a little bit easier to walk around anyway. But once again, as you can see, so we're at about 13 volts with the batteries, but with both sets of those lights on, it's going to drop, and it's already down to 12.9, which honestly, still full. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Man, we got some upgrades and things to do, some more projects that we need to get into. I'm super stoked about it, and I hope you stay with me on this journey. Later.